The Patient Ant and the Mountain, a timeless moral story. At the foot of a huge mountain lived a tiny ant. Every day, the ant carried small grains up the steep path, step by step. The mountain laughed. "You are too small. You can never reach the top." But the ant replied softly, "I may be small, but I never stop." Days turned into weeks. Slowly, patiently, the ant climbed higher. One morning, the ant stood proudly at the top, while the mountain stood silent. Moral: patience and consistency can overcome even the greatest obstacles.